Howdy folks, Todd here from Great Escape Farms. Today I am going to heavily prune 2 honeyberry bushes. So these are way overgrown. They're growing out into my path here. They're growing out into my path here, and even worse yet, I have a path running right in here and it has completely covered it up. So I'm gonna heavily prune these back, get them out of my way. I know I will not get any fruit this year. The question is, will they recover or will I kill them? So we shall see. They've been in the ground for 7 years. I've only done minimal pruning. So like I say, this will be a heavy pruning, but they are well established. Hopefully they recover just fine. So I trimmed around the bottom. I tried to keep vase shape as much as I could, even though it looks more cylinder, if you will. I got a good bit of space here. I put space in between. Actually, let me roll around this side. Put space in between the 2 plants here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop the top here, give it a crew cut. I'm not gonna take too much off the top here. And I'm gonna have it even with that one. So I'm gonna have to take a good bit more off of that one. So that's the next step. Here's what we look like with the tops chopped off. And I am pretty close to even here. I'm probably a little bit taller back there still, but it's definitely cleaned things up a lot here. My paths around my trellises here, everything is good to go. Here's a picture of before I trimmed anything with a picture of after I trimmed right next to it. We are December of 2025, so just about a year, and the honeyberry has grown quite a bit. You can see where I had cut it here, and I mean, I have a foot or more on all of this. I did get flowers last year, or this year. I did get fruit this year, not as much as I usually get, but I certainly got some, and it handled a major trim just fine. So some winter time is definitely the time to trim honeyberry.